Knowing that the telephony turned out from revenue center to cost center, so it was one of the major systems which I had to look at. With previous telephonies, as an example, it used to work only on IP, and we all know that in most of the hotels where there are some places that you really need to have hybrid telephony. In all our hotels, the standard for the hotels, we're using hybrid telephony systems. For the room, we're using analog, and for the admin, we're using IP phones. We have many hotels that are small-sized hotels. We don't have a high number of admin staff. We rely a lot of interconnectivity to communicate to each other, and sometimes those are in a remote sites or abroad, outside the UAE. We had a deep discussion about the IP office and how it was upgraded at Avaya, and this, I believe, was a great initiative from Avaya. That's where I think I started thinking deeply at the IP office. We had a trial, and it went very well. And the system has really lots of capabilities and opportunities, and it's a really good product for the mid-sized hotel, and even I would say for the big-sized hotel. Plus, the new technology is so flexible as well in terms of the implementation, the rollout, in terms of the mobility. This was also problem at all sides, to be honest, but now with the new app, or with the 1X of Avaya, and this was also really very important to introduce the 1X onto the IP office. This also helped a lot. And we all know the benefits of the 1X, how it's really good. Wherever you are, wherever you roam, you can still use your extension, you can still call wherever you are. First of all, with the IP office, we were able to solve lots of the previous problems. At the same time, we relied now with the new call center as well. We will be relying more on the auto attendant, and this is somehow kind of the automation or the basic AI. The basic AI we are relying on. It made a big difference in terms of the cost saving, where it helps a lot in the new implementations as well as in the upgrade. And where we found out that in a like mid-sized property, using hybrid solution, we were able to reduce around 30% of the capex, at the same time around 28 to 30% of the OPEX as well. From the admin part, we felt lots of advantages. First of all, most of the users they were mainly used to Avaya telephony. Plus, the big advantage was for us in terms of admin, in terms of IT administration. To unify the product was very important. To centralize the product is even more important. Now we are rolling out the call center for our new platform. And it's really a very good system. It has all the features, almost all the features of the enterprise edition of the call center, with again very marginal or very minimal cost, plus the mobility and the flexibility as well. The next project as well is to place the call center onto the cloud, where it will makes our life much more easier in terms of licensing, hardware, admin intervention. really, it's very important for us, and we're really placing a high focus on this project.